In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan dispatches humanitarian aid to Gaza through Egypt's Rafah crossing port. Turkey seeks to expand economic projects in Afghanistan. And President Putin to visit China in the near future. Welcome to our news package. It's Wednesday, the 28th of Shawwal al-Muazzam 1447, the 26th of Hamal 1405, and the 15th of April 2026. The news details. More than 500 tons of essential aid from Islamic Emirate has reached Gaza. The Minister of Foreign Affairs announced that 530 tons of essential humanitarian assistance from the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan has reached for the people of Gaza through Egypt's Rafah crossing. Based on the ministry, the aid includes food supplies, clothing, and other basic necessities worth approximately $500,000 and is expected to be distributed to around 20,000 Palestinian families. Saadin Yildiz, the head of the Turkish embassy in Kabul, met with Sheikh Nur Ahmad Islamjar, the governor of Herat, during his visit to the province. According to Herat governor's media office, Saadin Yildiz stated during the meeting that Turkey is working to expand its economic projects in Afghanistan. Meanwhile, the governor of Herat called on Turkish investors to invest in electricity generation, mining, and other key sectors in the province. The news continuation. The Ministry for the Promotion of Virtue, Prevention of Vice, and Hearing of Complaints expressed in a statement that it has addressed 10 legal and Sharia-related cases involving women in matters of dowry, maintenance, and divorce in the provinces of Takhar, Helmand, Maidan Bardak, and Khust provinces. In accordance with the statement, nearly 200 women across various provinces have also gained access to their Sharia rights regarding inheritance and dowry over the past months. And ultimately, Russian news agencies citing Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov reported that Russian President Vladimir Putin is scheduled to visit China in the first half of 2026. Lavrov stated that the itinerary and the details of the visit are currently being coordinated between the two sides. That's the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.